Hi guys, I seem to be getting comments on quite a few of my old videos. Can't complain, I'm happy to have views on any of my videos. But I had a chap comment on a couple of these air engine powered cars. I have a few of them. In fact, there's another one upstairs that I don't usually bother getting out. Anyway, the video he commented on, or they commented on, was one of these. This one, I think. And he was concerned that they're not genuine Tommy, or Tomy, not quite sure how you pronounce it, Tomy air jammers. Now, they don't claim to be Tomy. In fact, in the videos that I've published, and they are a good few years old, you can see underneath, if the camera will focus, let's bring it in a bit closer, there we are. These are GrandadIsAnOldMan toys, Frodsham Business Centre, Bridge Lane, Frodsham, Cheshire, UK. Hands are shaking a bit there, aren't they? Let's lay it still. There we are. There we are. So we can see that. Made in China, Dongguan, Guangdong. Model number 8010. So Dragon Eye air jammers. No idea when these were produced. This one cost me 99p second hand in a charity shop. And the other one cost me 50p in a charity shop. That one has exactly the same details underneath. This one's got a sticker on it that says AJ's Air Jammer, Save the Planet. It does say TM on there for trademark. And this one has Edu Science written on it. And under the back there, if we can get the focus, Toys R Us. So I bought them at different times, say from charity shops. Oh, focus again, come on. It's because I'm using my phone, and if I tell it to focus once, it stays on autofocus there, rather than refocusing when I move it. So obviously now that I've got them out, we'd better pump them up and give them a little run, see how they go. So that's what I'll do. I'll put the camera down there and we'll just run them that way. I haven't tried these in years. I've got two different pumps. I don't know. See if they fit. That feels a bit loose. And feels a little bit tighter. Come loose though. That was 20. You have to give them a little push to get them going. Yeah. Try that again. Yep, that one's going. How about this one? About 20 pumps, I don't know how many it needs. give them a bit more. That's 20 again. Let's just see if it runs. Well, let's let it run down, shouldn't I? This one didn't seem to have any left in it at all. That was 40. That one's definitely not going very well. I know one of them had a leaky seal. Let's go back to this one. In fact, this is the one that had a leaky seal. I can see that I replaced it. $40. Okay. So that one works all right. It's best to let the air out of them, otherwise they'll leak over time. We'll just give this one more try. It's not very hopeful though, is it? It's actually going in. No, I don't think the air's going in that one. Or it's leaking straight out again. got another pump. Only this one, and that didn't seem to fit. No, that's too loose. Feels harder now, like the air's going in. No, still didn't run it. Alright, well I just have to accept that one doesn't want to run. A little bit. It does feel like we're not getting the air in there. Nah. Never mind, we've seen one run. That's good enough for me. I'm not going to sit here and take that one apart again. Not now anyway. Just line them up for the thumbnail. Yeah, so there we go. Just on the subject of air jammers, these two are labelled air jammers too, and they're made by Jasmine air jammers. Those ones you actually pump up, the pump's inbuilt. This one is Lannard. That one's Lannard. That one's Lannard. It looks like the rest of those are Lannard as well. Yeah, so we've got Lannard, 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 Jasmine, and whatever these were, I've forgotten now, Dragon Eye. So at some time or other, air-powered toys were popular. I like them. I like the idea of not needing batteries, but I think these are getting a bit old now and probably need a bit of maintenance. That's the other one I've got, Air Engine Racer, Science Museum. If you're wondering what the noise is, that's the 3D printer going. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.